Ta-da! Hi. So this is a B&G guitar. This is a boutique guitar. And for actually many years, I wanted to own one of these guitars. And finally, it is here. And this is one of my favorite manufacturer of guitar. It's a really beautiful boutique, custom-made shop. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. I just got it. And we're gonna check it out. So, woo, okay, I'll show you. This is how it looks. You can see. Yes, I'll bring it closer. Boom, boom, boom. So also the case is kind of beautiful. Check this out. All right, so check this out. Let's see together, as a matter of fact. So this is a solid body guitar with beautiful pickups. I did read that basically inside here under this plate, you can see here, there's a truss rod so you can change and adjust. The guitar is beautifully made. It's all kind of wood color with these kind of different beautiful texture and colors. 2 pickups, 3 position, kind of Gibson style-ish neck. This feels a little bit like the old school, also like Tyler or acoustic guitar. It has a little bit of a curvature. Let's see how it sounds. I do have a pick with me. Boom, boom, boom. Connect this here. Okay, so yeah, let's see. It's kind of in tune. It's very in tune, actually. Let me try something. It's interesting because it looks like this kind of like almost Les Paul guitars, but actually it has a beautiful acoustic feel to it. It feels very like wood, which I really like. That low end, I'll turn it up a little bit. Oh, we are playing a tour in Europe this September. I'm super excited about it, and I would love to see you there. There are tickets, ticket links to all these shows. Please come, say hi. I'll give you a hug. And if you can't make it, please tell a friend that might be in one of these cities: London, Paris. We're in Belgium. We're in Hamburg. A bunch of places. We're playing at Beeks, different really great clubs. Ronnie Scott, Unterfahrt. Really all beautiful venues. So I hope to see you there. I have a little bit buzz from the electricity here in the studio, but it's really just my studio. It's very warm, which I love. It's really easy to play it. It's super balanced. The top kind of notes here have a beautiful kind of bell-like sound. Sometimes what happens with not as balanced instrument, cheaper sometimes, or just like not with great finish, some of the register would not be as accurate, both intonation and kind of like not open. So I mean, again, I'm just playing this guitar for 20 seconds, but it feels very much balanced. So that's really a helpful tool when you're trying to figure out how good the guitar is. So this has a lot in it. Let me try to play a little melody. Yeah, I mean, this is a real guitar, you know. This is beautiful. It feels really warm and fun to hold. It feels very real. It kinda is a dreamy guitar. It feels just like, I don't know, it's like analog, if that makes sense. Again, I'm a big fan of gear and or I would say like cool guitars that you can create with, and sometimes it can be really modern and sometimes it can be more simple, but this is kind of like back to basics in the most beautiful and sincere way. It's a guitar with great sounding pickups. The neck is tremendously beautiful, just feels great. And again, I'm just holding this guitar for about a minute now or so, and I mean, I understand it. I understand where things are. I mean, of course, I need more time to get more comfortable. I mean, I think this kind of level of guitar is really up there with the greatest, because it's like you can hear the sounds and it kind of makes you want to hear more sounds, which is super inspiring. Yeah, and it has tremendous amount of warmth. I don't know if you can hear that like bass. I love the lower end of it. It's just like, it's hard to get that sound with some of these newer guitars, and I'm also a fan of this kind of like Gibson-ish style neck. I don't know, you can see this curvature. It's a little hard to see it on the video, but it has a little bit of a curve here that is really fun. Yeah, it's beautiful. The tuning pegs are really good looking pegs, and let me tune again so you can also see how it feels. Yeah, good. Yeah, this is the good stuff. You know, sometimes you can sound these guitars like, you know, can be like not as great tuning pegs, or some of the material can be a little cheaper and it's kind of sucks. But this is really the good stuff. You can feel right away when you just tune a string, and it will probably hold ground. Again, this is a high-end guitar. This is no joke. This is for some folks that are, you know, have played music and know kind of like what they want with sound. But I think it's really an inspiring piece of wood. It has a beautiful sound. They really did well here. And let me see how it sounds a little bit with distortion. I'm just curious. Yeah. Yeah, what about just some weird sounds? Yeah, it's kind of cool. I want to see how it feels with a little loop, so let's do this. One more layer. A little solo. Okay, let me change the setting. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know if you're hearing all the kind of like warmth and the sound that this guitar has, but this is really, really gorgeous. So again, just kind of like, I'm really, really digging it. And I think also it would probably sound really, really good if you put a mic on the strings to get like the acoustic sound. So if I just, you know, play the guitar as a guitar without amplification, it still has some sound, which is really fun. But I bet with the recording, if you have like a little mic on that wood sound and the resonance, it will be super cool to mix it with the amp. I want to just see a little bit of how this guitar so feels, just kind of like solo chords. Something simple. Yeah, this is honestly an inspiring instrument. Yeah, I'm gonna go on tour soon, and I don't know. I'm gonna see if I should take this one, or I was planning to take the SG, but maybe I should take this one. I'm not sure, and I need to try it out with the band as well. But you know, after playing with this for just a few minutes and hanging out with you guys and trying some stuff out, there is something very resonant in this guitar with the wood and how it responds. And again, this is literally me just taking it out of the box. Maybe it needs a little bit of love and setup, but it's already feeling super, super nice. So this is a really great start. I hope this was interesting as a review. Again, it's just me kind of trying to figure out this guitar, and hopefully I'll make some more of these kind of videos with this guitar, because it's a great instrument and inspiring to play. So thank you. I'll see you very soon. Peace out.